Hello guys, so let's wrap up our work here on this project. The plugin is almost ready, but we still have to provide the translation file for it and also build the method that uninstall the plugin. Let's start with the translation. Throughout the lessons, we have already made sure to pass all translatable strings through the getText translation functions, so all that is left is to create the translation file. To speed up the process, I will copy some of the code from the previous project. I'll copy the call to the load text domain function from the constructor. And I'll also copy the function itself, and I just need to change the text domain here. Now also, just to get ahead, I'm going to open the contents of the Ph.D file from my previous project. I'm going to copy the whole header. I'm going to create a new file in the languages folder of the other plugin. The name will be mv-testimonials.plt. I'll paste the content here, and here I'll just change the name of the plugin. I'll open the file with edit. Now, I don't need to go here in catalog properties, okay? This is because I changed the file manually. I can click here on the update button directly. Okay, now I have my strings. I'll save them. And now if I go back in the file, okay, now I have the template file ready, and I can now generate the PO and the MO file if I want. Let's do it just to remember what we saw in the previous section. Let's go to the file menu, new from POT PO file. I select the POT file that is in the languages folder. Okay. And now I can start translating. I validate it. I save the file. Just remember you have to pass the text domain before the name, okay? And now here in the folder I have the two files, the PO and the MO. I'll change the language of our WordPress to Brazilian Portuguese in my case and see if the text were translated. There you go, the post type menu has already changed to Portuguese. And also the meta box field names. So let's check the widget. Perfect, it's working here too. Well, I'm gonna change the language back to English. That's it. So see you in the next lesson.